Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you this amazing pearl attaching machine, how to use it and a glance at the projects where I used it. I've been using this one for years now. It's super easy to use and the pearls get attached in no time. According to the box, apart from the fabrics, it can be used for accessories like purses, footwear, hats, belts, etc. Let's have a look at the parts that come in the box. You have the main machine, then its mold dices and the tubes to hold the pearls. Now the mold dices come in 5 sizes. You can use pearls size ranging from 10 mm, 8 mm, 6 mm, 5 mm to 4 mm. The mold dices can be changed easily. Just unscrew them and select the dice you want, and that's it. The tube are used to hold the pearl in place, but I don't use them because the pearl at times gets stuck in this tube, and when trying to remove it, it can create a hole in the fabric. So it's a no for me. The kind of pearls to use are the no-hole pearls. You can get them in bulk or small quantities and in various colors and sizes. I'll be posting the product links in the description box. The next thing that you need is the rivets. It's better to buy them in bulk as the same will be used for all sizes. Let me show you how they look up close. The basic mechanism of machine is easy. The top button will help you with placement of pearl. Once the pearl is positioned, lift the lever up to attach. Let's see how to attach the pearl. First, place the rivet here in the hole. Let me show you in slow motion. 4 sharp points pointing upwards. Then place the fabric and the pearls. Since I am not using those plastic tubes, I need to hold the pearl. Now press the button with thumb. Check if the pearl is in the right place. Then lift the lever up and hooray! You have just attached a pearl. Sharing with you some ideas. Here I used it to attach pearls on the sleeve hem, on dupattas, also on a bani dupatta, here on a sleeve border, and also on a dress border. Hope it was easy to follow. Do let me know if you have any doubts and can share your project pictures with us. I would love to show your work in my videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, bye.